Michigan senior U.S. Senator was in Grand Rapids today to remind Michigan residents on Medicare that they should not be overpaying for insulin.
Political reporter Rick Albin talked with the senator about what she wants Medicare recipients to know. Rick.
Sue and Brian, the senator says legislation passed last year means that people on Medicare should not pay more than $35 a month for insulin. At an event today at the Area Agency on Aging, along with Congresswoman Hillary Scholten, she pointed out that the cap was established after the passage of that bill called the Inflation Reduction Act. Stabenow has long championed the idea of lower prescription drug prices, and even in this bill, she wanted the cap to cover all insulin users, including children with the disease. But the final bill only applies to Medicare recipients, and even then, it may not be automatic since some providers may not be aware of the provisions of the bill. Later, when we sat down with the senator, she talked about being aware of the cost cap.
One of the things that I've learned, and it was great today, Pam, who joined us telling her story, she knew, she's an active member of AARP, who were very involved in helping us make this happen. She goes to her pharmacist and gets the old price, and she's saying, well, wait a minute here. I know it's $35 a month now, and so they go check, and they go, yes, it is, but the doctor has to prescribe it in a certain way. And so she was astute enough to really do it, what needed to be done. And now she's fine. But we need to make sure that anybody who is on insulin, who's on Medicare, is getting this cap price of $35 a month. If they're not, they need to ask their pharmacist. If they're having a challenge, they can let me know. They can let Congresswoman Scholten know, who was there with me when we announced this. But this is really important.
Stabenow says other cost containment provisions of the bill will limit total out-of-pocket prescription drug costs for those covered by Medicare, but that part of the legislation will not be in effect until next year.